It's the early 1960s, a time of change, growth, and dreams built in steel. Ford had already built a legend with the F-Series, but America was years. Roads were longer, jobs were bigger, and people wanted more than a truck. They wanted comfort, strength, and pride behind the wheel. And in 1961, Ford answered that call, introduced the fourth-generation F-Series, a truck that wasn't just built tough, it was built smarter. This was the era of the... By the 1960s, the world was changing fast. America's economy was booming, new industries were rising, suburban life was expanding, and pickup trucks were no longer just for farms or factories. They were becoming part of everyday life. Ford had a decision to make: stay rugged and simple, or evolve with the times. And evolve they did. The fourth-generation F-Series was born from that challenge, to create a truck that could work hard all week and look good on Sunday. It wasn't just a vehicle anymore. It was a statement of American progress. Ford engineers went back to the drawing board. New chassis, new suspension, new design. The design? Completely reimagined. The fourth-generation F-Series introduced a longer, lower, and wider body, giving it a more modern, powerful look. Gone were the boxy edges of the past. This truck had flow, character, and presence. Inside, the cabin was a revelation. Ford made it roomier, and more comfortable than ever before. Drivers got better visibility, improved seating, and a cleaner, more car-like dashboard. Because by mid-60s, truckers wanted comfort, not just toughness. And the bed? Still built for work. Wide, deep, and solid steel through and through. Whether you were hauling timber or tools, this truck was ready. It was a perfect balance. Stuff meets substance. And for many Americans... Now, under the hood, that's where Ford made real magic. The fourth-generation lineup ran from the reliable 203 cubic inch inline-six to the powerful 352 cubic inch V8. These engines delivered the muscle needed to tackle any job, from cross-country hauls to rugged farm fields. But the true revolution came in 1965, when Ford introduced something the world had never seen before in a pickup: the twin I-beam suspension. Two independent beams that allowed each front wheel to move separately, giving smoother rides on rough terrain and dramatically improving handling. It wasn't just... In 1967, you could own a brand new Ford F-100 for around $2,300. Not cheap, but worth every cent for the capability and comfort it offered. Its competitors, like the Chevrolet CK Series and Dodge D-Series, were tough, but Ford's formula of style, strength, and comfort helped it rise above. Buyers didn't just want a truck that worked. They wanted one that represented who they were, and Ford nailed that idea perfectly. Owning a fourth-generation F-Series today is like holding a key to one of the most important chapters in pickup history. These trucks, especially the 1965 models with twin I-beam suspension, are prized among collectors for their engineering brilliance and timeless design. They represent a turning point, when Ford transformed from being just another maker to becoming the leader in innovation, comfort, and durability. Every modern Ford F-150 owes part of its DNA to this generation, the one that proved you could combine power, comfort, and innovation in a single package. So, was the fourth-generation F-Series revolutionary? Absolutely. It redefined what a pickup could be. It brought technology to toughness and comfort to capability. From the new chassis and sleek design to the iconic twin I-beam suspension, Ford didn't just keep up with the times, they set the standard. The fourth-generation F-Series wasn't just built to work, it was built to last, built to lead, and built to move America forward. This was the moment Ford stopped making trucks and started making legends. Want to see how the F-Series continued to evolve? Watch the full documentary. Links in the description.